Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see mobile application development using Android application number 10, which is fragment layout. We have already discussed about fragment in our previous experiment, but in this we are just going to create a simple fragment layout, and using the two fragments as we discussed earlier, we are going to change the things of the other fragment. So on select an item from the fragment 1, which leads to the updation in the fragment 2. So how we are going to do this, let's see that. So this is our previous experiment so this is our experiment number 10, in which we are just going to change that thing. So how we are going to change it, we are just going to so this is my main activity.xml, in which we are just keeping two fragments, 1 and 2. We are just seeing here, and the fragment names are contact list fragment and detail fragment. So over here I have made the two fragments. This is my context list XML fragment and this is my detail fragment. So let's go to the main Java file and let's see. So in this we have not done anything, as all the things which is done is in the contact list and in the details. So details is very simple. In details we are just displaying that whatever is going to happen. So let's start from the contact list. In the contact list we are going to inflate it in the r.layout.contacts. We are just going to take it and the container, and we are not going to attach it now. We are going to attach it to afterwards, and this will return us the view of the page. Now as we have the view of the page, we are just going to find the view by id.contact list, and we are going to keep it in the list view. Now we already have our array of strings in names, and we are going to take the final names of string, numbers and emails of each of them. So this is the first contact, this is the second contact, and this is the third contact. After that we are just going to set an adapter and new adapter, which is going to take 3 arguments: our current activity context and how we want to display it. So as we showed in our previous experiment, it is going to take simple list. I am just using android.r.simple list item 1, and then we are going to set the names. So from what is the resource? Names, as we have just mentioned it over here. And after that we in this list view set adapter, we are just setting the array adapter. So on click listener we have just set on the list view. So whenever we click on the list view, we are just going to text view, as we have already taken the text view, and in the text view we are going to take that view and text view. We are converting it into the text view. Over here we have got the view, which returns the other fragment view. So we are just going and taking the text view, and as it has only one child, so we are just going to take the text view in .getText to string. So it will just convert it to the to string and we'll get the data. After getting the data, we are going to set the number and the position which we have, and to string, and email.position to string. We are just going to do that, and in the fragment manager we are just calling the fragment manager over here, and we are going to pass the details, find management by id r.id.details flag, and we are just going to details the contact.setText. It will just show us the text. So over here this is how done. So let's execute it and see. So this app is also installed in my phone. So this was the previous experiment in which we just explored the multi-tab apps. In this we are just going to click on the one app, and we are going to see the difference in the, this is the first fragment and this is the second fragment. So as we click, we have already set on click listener. So as we set the click on this, we are going to set the text, number and the email address of that. We can see as we click on the first fragment, it is leading to the change in the second fragment also. That's all. Thank you for watching.